Welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, I would like to explain to you how to do problems on simple interest. Problems of simple interest are very important. Almost every competitive exam you will get questions from simple interest. So, what is this simple interest? When we borrow money, we have to pay some interest. So, this amount which we borrow or which we deposit in a bank, that amount is called principal amount and it is represented by P, capital letter P. And when money is paid for or you borrowed money, when we borrow money or we deposit money, we have to pay some interest. That what money we pay is called interest. Interest is of two types, simple interest, that is usually we represent as SI, and compound interest. Now, we are going to do only simple interest problems. So, in calculation of simple interest, the important concepts are principal amount P, interest, simple interest SI. Next one is the interest is determined on the basis of rate per annum. Per annum means per year in percentage. That is represented by capital letter R. So, R means rate of interest. And usually in the problems, rate will be given in the form of fraction. I will give some examples here like 12 1/3%. So, now we have to simplify it. How to simplify 12 1/3? 3 12s are 36 plus 1 37/3. In the same way 18 3/4. It is 70, that is 4 18s are 72 plus 3/4. So, 75/4, like that usually you will get in the exam. I gave two examples for you to try. Then next important one is time. Time is represented by capital letter T. Time period to which the amount is borrowed and usually calculated for 1 year, because you already learned per annum. So, 1 year, that is 12 months. Here you please try, listen very carefully. In the problems, T part is given in three different ways. First one is they will give directly 2 years, 1 year, no problem, you can directly do the problem. Sometimes they give in the form of months, say for example 10 months, means you have to put 10/12 year. So, when months are given, for 1 year 12 months, therefore, that given 8 months or 10 months, 9 months by 12 you have to put. Another example, borrowed for 8 months means 8/12. So, like that you have to give. So, first one I told you, directly if they give 2 years, 3 years, directly you can put years. If they give in the form of months, that months 8/12, 9/12, etc. Sometimes, third one, sometimes they give in the form of days. Days also they give like that. In the example, you look here, from 4th February to April 20th of maybe say 2021. Now, you have to calculate days. See how you borrowed on 4th February. How many days are there in February month? 28 days. 28 minus 4, 24 days. March, how many days? 31 days. April, when you repaid or when we repaid? 20th. So, 20 days. 24 plus 31 plus 20, 75 days. So, how to put it? In calculation, we have to show 75/365 year. 365 is days. Is it clear to you? So, because rate of interest is always for per annum is for year, we have to put it 75/365 year. Okay. Now, I gave here for you to practice. Find total days from 15th May to August 15th. How many days are there in from 10th October to December 26th, you calculate. Now, let us come to the important part, that is calculation of simple interest. There is a formula, you have to memorize it. Simple interest is equal to PRT by 100 or PTR by 100. Some books it is given PTR, some books it is given PRT. You can use any formula. So, here P is the principal amount, R is the rate, T is the time. Now, let us come to the problem. Find the simple interest on 75,000 at 17.2/3% per annum for 10 months. So, simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. So, what is P? 75,000. What is R? 17.2/3 or 53/3. What is T? 10. 10 means 10 by 12. Now, 75,000 into 53 by 3 into 10 by 12 into 1 by 100, because whole by 100, so 1 by 100. If you simplify, you will get 11,041.6, that is 60 paisa. I will give another problem. Calculate simple interest on 85,000 at the rate 16.2 by 3% for 9 months. Again, what is P? P is 85,000. What is R? 16.2 by 3 or 50 by 3%. What is T? 9 by 12. Substitute in the formula and you calculate, you try. Everything is given here, just try. Now, another problem. What is simple interest on 60,000 at the rate 18 by 4 per annum if the amount is borrowed on 10th November 2021 and repaid on 14th January 2022? Now, what is identify? What is P? 60,000. What is interest? 18 by 4 or 73 by 4. Then what is time? Now, look here. When we borrowed on 10th November. So, November how many days are there? 30. Therefore, 20 days. December 31 days. January 14 days. Together 65 days. So, it is 65 by 365 year, and still if you simplify it, it will be 13 by 73. Now, simple interest is equal to P RT by 100. So, P is 60,000, R is 73 by 4, T is 13 by 73 into 1 by 100. If you do all cancellation etc. simplification, you will get finally 1,950. Here I give some problems you to try. Mr. Ram deposited 40,000 in a bank for 10 months and bank paid 1 by 4 interest per annum. How much simple interest he gets? So, P is given, T is given, R and how much it will be? 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25 by 4. Apply in the formula. In the same way, second one, third one, you try on your own, answers are given and it's very important. Next video I will make, sometimes they will ask, they will give a simple interest, they will ask you to find out principal amount. Sometimes they ask us to find out rate of interest. Sometimes they ask us to find out how time period. So, principal amount we can find out using the formula, and then time we can find out, rate we can find out. Those problems I will make in the next video. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. God bless you.